Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Street Talks. Today I explained another type of truss. This is the truss having x and y coordinates. This node point having 0, 0, 0. This node point 3, 7, 11 and 14. This node point having two loads, two pointer loads, x and y direction. This node point x-axis 3 meter, y-axis 4 meter. So 3, 4, 0. This node point x-axis 7 meter, y-axis 9 meter. So 7, 9, 0. Having one pointer load 5 kilonewton. This node point having two pointer loads x and y-axis. Coordinate point is 11, 4, 0. Now I explain how to create this structure in staad-pro software. Open staad-pro software, new project, space, press model, length unit meter, force unit kilonewton. Next, add beam, finish. Previous video links are available in description. Create coordinate point 0, 3, 7, 11, 14. 0, 3, 7, 11, 14. 3, 7, 11 x-axis having y-axis. So copy and paste. Okay. X-axis 3 meter, y-axis 4 meter. 4 meter. And x-axis 11 meter, y-axis 4 meter. X-axis 7 meter, y-axis 9 meter. Change the view. Add beams. Connect the nodes. Truss texture created. General. Define. Assign profile. Double angle. Add. Close. Assign to view. Assign. Yes. Support. Truss having pinned support. Create. Pinned. Add. Select. Use cursor to assign. Assign. Load and definition. Load case details. Add. Load case 1. Add. Close. Load case 1. Add. Truss having nodal load. X-axis 5 kilonewton. This is plus sign. This is minus sign. Plus 5 kilonewton add. Minus 5 kilonewton add. Y-axis 10 kilonewton, 5 kilonewton. Downward direction, so minus 10. Add. Minus 5. Add. Close. Select. Use cursor to assign. Assign. Analysis print. Add. Close. Analyze. Run analysis. Save. View output file. Done. This is the output file. Close. Reflection. Change the scale factor. Displacement 1. Apply. OK. Bending moment. Scale factor. Bending is at 0.1. Apply. To change the scale factor visible in the screen. Bending moment diagram. OK. Shear force. Change the scale factor. 0.1. Apply. OK. This is the 3D view of the structure. This is the given structure details, nodes, beams. Thanks for watching. Please share, like and subscribe this channel.